Hi, this is Adrienne with Swift Galleries. I wanted to show you quickly how you can edit the sizes that you have in your products. So all you need to do, this is the main dashboard. So when you log into your account at app.swiftgalleries.com, this is where you go. All I need to do is go into my products, manage my products, and go into a product that I need to change. You have to make sure that the lab that you're using offers that size, okay? So all you need to do is click on this product sizes and prices and scroll down here to this purple add size button. All you need to do is add the size that you need to start offering. Put in your cost and put in a retail price. If you are continuing to do our 4 times your cost, you can just come up here, click on 4x my cost, update prices, and that will do the math for you. And you just save your product. And now that 18 by 18 size will be available. Take you back to it. That 18 by 18 size that I just built will now be available to me when I am in either the template manager or when I am in the wall art designer. As always, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm always happy to help. You can comment or you can send me an email at hello@swiftgalleries.com. Bye.